Erani wine, Wakoyo. So 2 days ago, Iwe ni kie motore, but Omake. So I have to grab the key to open the door. So Itewe he graduated ne from Louisiana Himoto. But 2 days ago, a moto ni Omahwe. So I have to manually lock the door. And guess what? I left the key inside the car. And now I cannot access my car. Can you believe that? But it's okay. It's not the end of the world. So now this is what we're going to do. So I access Amazon to get car opening kit. And we're going to give it a try. All right. Let's take this outside and I'm going to show you the car and the key inside the car. Okay, my assemble lane. This is the pump to open the door, and this would be what I use to open it from the inside. Okay, I go outside. Wow. Okay, as you can see, I don't got the keys. It's hard to see, but the key is somewhere in there. It's somewhere in there. It's hard to see. Now we're going to pump. Okay, I have to go inside to get another pump because I didn't have enough room to put a rod. So now we're going to pump this one as well to create a bigger incision. Okay, so we got the rod inside, but new problem. It's not long enough. So we need to go back inside and extend the rod. Now, it will never be too short. It's very hard to see, but we just need to get it in there to pull it out. I go need to. So we've done it. We've done it. Before it was locked. So first, let's take out the air. Let's take out this air. You know what? Let's just open it. Yep, we're back in, and guess what? Look at the keys. The keys was in here, and my thing was not working. Look, I gotta change the battery. But here, if I'm yourself, we are back.